Hi everyone, today I'm coming with another video called Guess What you need to have before you get a puppy. Just take Tivas as a little puppy. Now Tivas needs some things I'm going to show you now and explain to you. Firstly, let's start with the toy. He needs this bouncy ball he will play with. He needs a bouncy ball. Tivas, he needs a bouncy ball to play with. To make him happy and feel good. Now, he needs a card. This is a card of taking injections, immunizations for a dog, a new puppy. He needs a chain or rope or collar. Now, he needs a powder to make him smell good. This is Tick spray. You put it inside the water when you're baiting them. When you're baiting them, it makes them not have ticks. This is a body spray. I don't have dog's body spray and dog's powder, so I'm using this as an alternative. This is dog sponge, used to bathe them. This is dog soap, Septol. These are soap that will clean them, but I don't have dog soap. This is comb to comb his body. This is scissors to cut some hairs that are not good. This is brush to brush his body. Now, this is the food aspect. This is a plate for water. This is a plate for meal, dog plate, and this is just a plate too. This is a multivitamin, which makes your dog alright. You give a pregnant dog 2 tablets, a puppy half tablet, and a full-grown dog 1 tablet. This is dog pedigree. Dog pedigree, you give it to your dog to make them fat. This is dog dry food. Tivas as a puppy also needs to be taken care of, socialized, to meet people, meet other dogs, so you won't be afraid and timid. He also needs care. Alright. He also needs a trainer that'll make him to be trained. Tivas, sit. Good. Shake. Good boy. So you also need a trainer that will make him to be trained and to be a well-behaved dog. Now this is dog chicken. Dog chicken. Dog chicken. It makes your dog fat and healthy. Dog chicken makes your dog strong. It gives them protein. Makes them feel alright. I'm just steaming the meat. Please, when you're cooking for your dog, please don't put onions. Onions does not make them nice, but I'm sorry I put onions here. Thank you. So let's keep training our puppies and make them feel alright. Let's keep training our puppies and make them feel alright. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace. Like, share, comment, and please comment on the video you want me to post about next. Thank you. Please keep watching Wayne Winner. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Tiba says bye.